By the powers invested in me as Pro-Chancellor, I declare this congregation open for the awarding of degrees and diplomas of the University of South Wales, and I invite the Vice-chancellor, Professor Julie Lydon, to address the congregation. Please be seated.
Pro-Chancellor, graduates, honoured guests, congregation, it is my great delight to welcome you on this special day. Formally, it is our academic recognition of your considerable talent and a collective celebration of your individual endeavour. But it is also our opportunity to say thank you to everyone else here who has supported you. As graduates of this university, you are the latest learners in a line that goes back to 1841 and has its roots much earlier. Our story at USW goes back to the early days of the Industrial Revolution, when some far-sighted leaders of business and their professions created small specialist institutions of higher learning to educate the brightest minds of their younger generation. They would be very proud now to see how their small colleges have grown into a major international university. A university that adds value to our society, to our economy, and most fundamentally changes the lives of bright people like you. You are part of a vigorous academic community of all nations and beliefs. The graduates who have gone before you are already making their mark, whether they studied arts or business, humanities or science. Across the United Kingdom and in many countries around the world, there are graduates of your USW leading businesses and becoming experts in their professions. They are film directors, they are creative artists, they're sports professionals, they're teachers, they're entrepreneurs, and they're business leaders. They all have something in common that goes beyond their success in work. They know, as we do, that having a degree also has a higher and deeper function. Graduates like you have developed the healthy scepticism of thought that we hone through a university education. You will have challenges, but you also have unparalleled opportunities to make a difference. And more than that, every one of you has talent, every one of you has intellect, and every one of you has commitment and the capacity for hard work. And you now have the qualification to prove it. So as we start this ceremony, I'd like you to remember three things. You deserve to be here today. Your hard work is a real credit to you. And we are all very proud of you and looking forward to you making a difference in our world. Thank you very much and well done.
Let it be known by members of the University and all here present that a congregation of the University of South Wales is held in the city of Cardiff on the 4th day of July 2019. Today we honour scholars who have demonstrated through their intellect and scholarly efforts that they are qualified to be admitted to the degrees and qualifications of the University. In honouring their achievements, let all here present recognise their dedication and celebrate their success. We invest in them our hope and expectations that they will put their talent and learning at the service of their professions and our communities. We trust that they will contribute to the future of our society with honour and distinction. Gadewch iddo fod yn hysbys aelodau'r Brifysgol ac I bawb sy'n bresennol y cynheili'r cynulliad o Brifysgol De Cymru yn Ninas Gaerdydd ar y 4edd o Orffennaf 2019. Heddiw, anrhydeddon ysgolheigion sydd wedi profi drwy deallasrwydd a'i hymdrech ysgolheigaidd ei bod yn gymwys i gael ei derbyn ar gyfer graddau a chymwysterau'r Brifysgol. Drwy anrhydeddu eu cyrheiddiad, gadewch i'r rhieni sydd yma'n bresennol gydnabod eu hymrwymiad a dathlu eu llwyddiant. Bydd oswn ein gobeithion a disgwyliadau ynynt, gan obeithio byddant yn rhoi eu talent a'i dysg gebronu proffesiwn a'n cymunedau. Hyderwn y byddant yn cyfrannu at dyfodol yn cymdeithas gyda anrhydedd a chlod.
Pro-Chancellor, I present to the congregation the Faculty of Creative Industries candidates that have been awarded the Master of Arts in Animation. Michael Wiltshire. The Bachelor of Arts in Advertising Design, Pilar Balsas Martin. Lewis Beavis. Macaulay Binder. Jamie Coe. Olivia Grace Edmond. Caitlin Lauren Evans. Emma Jane Fussell. Lucy Hillman. Isabel House. Kirsty Howells. Ella Michelle Jones. Hayden Kendall. Kate Alicia Lawley. Jacob Millwater. Rachel Morgan. Theophilus Ngoni. Alicia Louise Nichols. Tia Scorthorne. Faye Edith Taylor. Ellis Thomas. Joshua Thomas. Megan Rebecca Thomas. Dana Weinstein. The Bachelor of Arts in Animation, 2D and Stop Motion, Harrison Brain. Annabelle Brathwaite. Elliot Cite. Jordan Alexander Adrian Davis. Daniel Djotny. Ellery Edwards. Daniel Hassel. Sydney Elizabeth Hopkin. Will Humphreys. Lucy Keenan. Elisa Kakalis. Louise Sonara Lovekin. Alexander William Stewart Martin. Natalia Mirzajewska. Daniel Lewis Miller. Thomas Moriarty. Courtney Powell, Sarah Round, Kirsty Sean Westwood, Bethany Williams, Jacob Williams, Oliver Max Wilson, Christian Zhekov, the Bachelor in Arts and Computer Animation, Curtis Clark, Anthony Cole Floret, Anna Daniela Dovliach, Rachel Fionn Edwards, Paula Ria Guedes Figueredo, Frashina Fodor, Ruben Fuest, Phoebe Hunt, Alex James, Callie Jones, India Alice Lane, Ewan Ross Matthews, Lauren Q. McCall, Jordan Morton, Joanna Paseva, Harris Carl Procopio, Emily Richards, Jamie Richards, Charlotte Amelia Victoria Rousel, Albert Sherman, Matthew Stevens, Danielle Jamie Swinscoe, Amanda Wade Matthews, James Waterhouse, the Bachelor of Arts in Computer Games Design, Miguel Angel Almanza Buenos, Bill Blanchard, Phoebe Barra Appleton, Reese Cobb, Red Corder Duffield, Johan Davis John, Kyle Fowler, Sebastian Edward James Gallup, Ryan Gladman, Oliver James Jackson, Braden Jans van Rensburg, George Laxon, Catherine Muller, Liam Pritchard, Patrick Quinn, Timothy Ruby, Joshua Robinson, Joby Rolfe, William Searson, Michael Vincent Cernett, Cole Underwood, Tommy White, Owen Martin Withy, The Bachelor of Arts in Costume Construction for Screen and Stage, Coleg y Cymoedd Nangarw, Bryony Megan Atwood. Iona Cameron Duff. Angela Elizabeth Eames. Harley Ethan Locke. Jessica Fatima Parsons. J. Danielle Wakely. The Bachelor of Arts in Creative Industries, Photography, James Baker. Francesca Bennett. Sean Benny. Sharon Burrows. Sadie Cook. Andrew Davison. Lucy Eames. Morgan Edwards. Jessica Iwa. David James Morgan. Beverly Jones. Ramas King. Holly Lloyd. Finty Osborne. Nicola Priest. Kurt Roberts. Emily Stangroom. Liam Thomas. Sadie Tovey. Kerry Tremaine. Julia Trowbridge. Bachelor of Arts in Documentary Photography, Lewis Brown. Alice Anwen Coburn. Alexander Colley. Brandon Dare. Kyra Ann Flowers. Holly Mae Goodwin. Deanna Grimes. Lewis Mark Hammett. Matthew Nicholas Keenan. Jonathan Lomax. The Reginald Salisbury Travel Award 2019, Patrick Sondergaard Wassman. Liam Webb. The Bachelor of Arts in Fashion Design, Hannah Louise Andrews. Victoria Coleman. Zen Maya Creasy. Lauren Charlotte Crockett. Sophie Davis. Boriana De Brava. Jessica Susan Edwards. Catherine Violet George. Kira Louise Golding. Jessica Gunter. Emma Jessica Gurney. Megan Jo Hendy. Anna Marie Hillier. Elizabeth Mai Howells. Chloe Louise Jones. Olivia Jones. Kimberly Faye Lane. Paige Tara Leach. Sophie Rosina Lynn. Laura Morris. Jade Overton. Fionn Mayer Owen. Chanel Palmer. Jodie Phillips. Christian Luke Nicholson Prescott. Amy Laura Smith. Kelsey Anna Sprud. William Jake Warden. Kirsty Louise Warman. Fionn Wynne Williams. Chloe Joanne Winston. The Bachelor of Arts in Fashion Marketing and Retail Design, Hannah Rhiannon Boyd. Magdalena Siskova. Karolina Kumrikova. Kate Ann Davey. Dominic Edwards. Georgia Elizabeth Gray. Charlotte Ann Hughes. Tamsin Jones. Georgia Lowry. Jade Miles. Marilyn Sepp. Susanna Sevalova. Amy Rachel Thomas. Eleanor Thomas. Jennifer Waltini Thongdai. Rhiannon Lucy Victoria Williams. The Bachelor of Arts in Fashion Promotion, Samantha Ball. Livia Roberta Borelli. Georgia Rose Bozas. Amelia Brown. Beth Ann Davidson. Athena Disley. Asma Elmi. Aliyah Evans. Anne Harrod Evans. Ellen Mayer Evans. Rhiannon Emma Fear. Nicholas Annetta Furman. Chloe Elizabeth Harrison. Emily Ellen Eliza Headington. Ellen Jenkins. Pavel Kubika. Holly Louise Marshall. Gyfadran y Diwydiannau. Emily Perry. Ellie Pike. Chloe Pritchard. Madeline Salisbury. Martha Theodorou. Georgia Louise Thomas. Happiness Tillier. Rebecca Voss. Laura Kate Walsh. Bethan Robinson Williams. Lucy Ruth Williams. Ella Wingfield. Maya Zalaskowski's Quintanilla.
Fe wnawn ni nawr glywed datganiad cerddorol gan Myfyrwyr o Goleg Brynhawn Cerdd a Drama Cymru. We now hear a musical interlude by students from the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. Our National Conservatoire is part of the wider University of South Wales family. These talented performers will graduate with Bachelor and Master of Music degrees of the University of South Wales, and we congratulate them most warmly. Llongyfarchiadau. Yn perfformio ar ein cyfer ni heddiw mai, Elw. A byddant yn chwarae, Isn't She Lovely? Bare Necessities, You've Got a Friend in Me. Raddedigion, Gwesteion. Graduates, honoured guests, congregation, please give a warm welcome to Elw.
Bachelor of Arts in Game Art, Fintan Paul Hegarty Blacklock. Alexandra Michelle Broad. Michael Carlton Haller. Neophytos Shimona. Georgia Faye Daniels. Christina Duharova. Nois Elspel Vidal. Leroy Finelli. Diana Corinne Finley. David Gomez Povedano. Antonio Jones. Grace Jones. Katarzyna Kaminska. Ryan Ashley Charles Lake. Connor Joseph Morphew. Phoebe Morris. Tira Pace. Danielle Savage. Emily Jane Thomas. Ellie Tipples. Gavin Ward. Christopher David Williams. The Bachelor of Arts in Graphic Communication, Georgina Bedford. Katie Ellen Bryant. Scott Campbell. Nathan Dorney. Maria Eugenia dos Santos Fernandez. Corey Downey. Caitlin Shannon Doyle. William Thomas Dunford. Hopkin Easterbrook. Caitlin Emerson. Coral Hawkins. Katie Hobbs. James Johnson. Ryan Johnson. Connor Hugh John Jones. Kate Jose Jones. Stephen Ledbetter. Alice Lippard. Ross Martin. Takara Christie Meredith. Kate Middleton. Jay Nye. Chelsea Owen Burke. Katie Owens. Fiorinta Pasai. Amy Potts. Catherine St. Haynes. Abdul Fattah Salim. Molly Saltmarsh. Chloe Sevier. Charlie Shelley. Thomas Short. Adam Smith. Caitlin Dawn Rose Stadden. Holly Tyler. Teresa Wojciechowska. Candice Wilson. The Bachelor of Arts in Illustration, Samantha Bird. James Chapman. Lauren Bethany Chitty. Luke Chorley. Asia Crosby Elliott. Jessie Lee Davis. Emilia Diddams. Freya Patricia Downs, Frashina Facchetti, Danielle Louise Fenner, Rachel Ford, Ray Joan Gaskell, Galia Goranova Georgieva, Elena Gergely, Ellery Hodge, Emily Keener, Emma Louise Colano Rogers, Rhea Lanot Manuel, Samantha Morgan, Catherine Roberts, Paige Morgan Smith, Charles Stone, Jacob Richard James Taylor, Georgia Thomas, Marty Elijah Walpole, Tabitha White Davis, Jordan Anthony Williams, Laura Jane Williams, Klaku Gwenlyan Williams, Olga Martina Zelinska, Bachelor of Arts in Interior Design, Chloe Bartlett, Ian Dakin, Mary Dakin, Helen Hutt, Bethany Janikshi, Martina Kozlowska, Shannon Matthews, Jessica Popalkaki, Emilia Tutka, the Bachelor of Arts in Photography, Luca Ambakatzi, the Reginald Salisbury Travel Award 2019, Joanne Barton, Lewis Bremner, Catherine Evangeline Butcher, Jessica May Cleaves, Anna Goldberg, Ruby Vera Graham, Rebecca Head, Alina Hibbert, Lauren Nicole Hornsby, Sophie Kathleen Lewis, Orlana McKay, the Reginald Salisbury Travel Award 2019, William Morgan, Rowan Katie Quinton, Denise Recchia, Olivia Robinson, Samuel Sturt, Jessica Tennant, Erin Hope Thomas, Daniel Thomas, Clea Yayan Tongi, Gyfadran y Diwydiannau. Thomas Vaughan. Hannah Williams. Morgan Anna Woodward. The Bachelor of Arts in Television and Film, Hair, Makeup and Special Effects, Colega Cymoedd Nangaro, Eleanor Jane Hurst. Lauren Louise Jenkins. Dion Ashley Jones. India Rose Jones. Emily Kate Laban. Elisha Mary Marshall Sanker. Olivia Emma Morgan White. Annabelle Jane Rear. Megan Alexandra Williams. Megan Rose Valerie Williams. The Bachelor of Arts in Television and Film Set Design, Emily Barker. Emily Barry. Charlotte Blandon. Hayley Chatfield. Rachel Emma Christie. Lois Drage. Rachel Sarah Ellis. Hannah Evans. Abigail Foster. Joshua Garfield. Evan Griffiths. Adam Harding. Louise Nicole Harrison. Lily Rosamond Holbeck. Bethany Jane Howard. Tamar Rawala Lee. Kirsty Lee Lewis. Sean McAfee. Charlotte Amy Oliver. Laura Mary Peach. Samuel Vincent. Jennifer Louise Williams. The Bachelor of Arts in Television and Film Prop Making, Colega Cymoedd Nangaro, Zoe Rachel Crisp. Emily Jane Wright. The Foundation Degree in Arts and Creative Industries Photography, Coleg Gwent Cross Keys, Richard Allen. Lawrence Curry. Emily Davis. Emily Felton. Tia Greenaway. Marie Hiley. Ellen Hughes. Chloe Lloyd. Jamari Muswela. Sarah Phillips. Rachel Roberts. Zoe Silcox. Derek Thau. Rebecca Tudball. Tony Ann Walsh. The Foundation Degree in Arts and Creative Industries, Photography, Merthyr Tydfil College, Amy Dowers. Emma Jones. Shanice Martin. Victoria Mitchell. Rebecca Rosser. The next award is given posthumously. Would the congregation please stand? The Certificate of Higher Education in Creative Industries, Photography, Merthyr Tydfil College, Darren Jones. Congregation, please sit. The Foundation Degree in Arts and Digital Photography, Coleg y Cymwaith na Garw, Jane Gilbert. The Foundation Degree in Arts in Game Art and Design, Cardiff and Vale College, Cardiff, Rhys Davis. Kynan Jones. Joanne Loughton. Foundation Degree in Arts and Games Art and Design, Coleg Gwent Ebervale, Cody Hudd. Higher National Diploma in Creative Production Arts, Coleg y Cymwaith na Garw, Jake Ethan Lissack. The Certificate of Higher Education in Fashion Promotion, Jasmine Luana Hester Titcombe. Higher National Diploma in Creative Production Arts, Coleg y Cymwaith na Garw, Corey James Thomas. Bachelor of Arts in Creative Industries, Photography, Thomas Clee. Bachelor of Arts in Computer Animation, Benjamin Moore. The Bachelor of Arts in Advertising Design, Tori Silman. The Bachelor of Arts in Photography, Alice Howard. Bachelor of Arts in Computer Animation, Maria Dimcheva. Pro-Chancellor, that concludes the awards for the Faculty of Creative Industries.
congregation, colleagues, friends, guests, and the most important people here today, graduates. Today has been an occasion of solemn, formal academic ceremony with a very long tradition. It has also, at the same time, been a moment of great emotion and great pride. I, on 2 occasions, sat in the audience in halls very similar to this one to see my own daughters graduate. So I understand the pride. I understand the emotion. Graduates, it is a great day, and we are delighted to be celebrating your success with you. But truth to say, you did not make that journey alone. And present here today, behind you and around you, are the very many people, parents, carers, partners, friends, who supported you throughout. They encouraged you when things got tough, as inevitably they did at times. They urged you on when you tried unfamiliar things. To quote a phrase, they were there for you. So this is your opportunity, and ours, to thank them for the part they played by a well-deserved round of applause. For us on the stage, today is one of the highlights of the university year. There are 3,000 staff at this great university, and it has been their mission to teach, mentor, feed, counsel and support you, our new graduates, on the way to today's success. Some of these people, I understand, also may have sent the odd pithy reminder, strictly when it was needed, of course. The success of every USW graduate is built upon a university-wide commitment on the part of every member of staff, whatever his or her role. Seeing you, our students, succeed is their raison d'être. It is what they do. And their role, too, deserves to be acknowledged by a round of applause. But graduates, as I've said, today is above all about you. About celebrating your achievement and publicly marking your success. It is also the moment when we, the USW academic community, say, you're one of us now. We share the same values, and we are proud that you should take those values out into the world. Of course, the university did equip you with the skills and elements of knowledge essential to your academic or professional disciplines. Yes, we know from personal experience that the education that USW provides is highly valued by employers, and of course, we are justifiably proud of that fact. But there is an important added dimension to what is offered by the university. We foster in our graduates the ability to think for themselves, to challenge received wisdom, to question facile assumptions, and to dispute unverified assertions. We see it as part of our mission to nurture people who can and will ask constructively critical questions in life, particularly in public life, helping others to grasp what a critical argument looks like, to see what genuine thinking is. In brief, you are the people who can and will explore difficult issues in a spirit of respect and positive expectations. These are timeless values at the heart of university's ethos, and we trust that they are now your values too, as scholars and graduates of our university. We hope, I hope, that your time at USW has offered you the kind of intellectual challenge that broadens horizons. We hope, we trust, that it has opened up pathways to exciting and fulfilling careers. And we also hope that it has inspired in you a spirit of inquiry and a yen for lifelong learning. Our very best wishes go with you for your future endeavours. Well done, all of you, and good luck for the future. I now declare this degree congregation of the University of South Wales closed. Thank you.
A now cysefyll ar gyfer an anthem genedlaethol Ysgoledd yn Dda. Please stand for the Welsh National Anthem.